Father.
Balerion was the last living creature to have seen old Valyria before the Doom. Its greatness and its flaws. When you look at the dragons, what do you see?
What? You haven't spoken a word to me since Mother's funeral. And now you send your King's Guard down—
Answer me. It's important. What do you see?
I suppose I see us.
Tell me.
Everyone says Targaryens are closer to gods than to men. But they say that because of our dragons. Without them, we're just like everyone else.
The idea that we control the dragons is an illusion. They're a power man should never have trifled with. One that brought Valyria its doom. If we don't mind our own histories, it will do the same to us. Targaryen must understand this to be king. Or queen. I'm sorry, Rhaenyra. I have wasted the years since you were born, wanting for a son.